We are counting down to the first ever NALS Northern Conference taking place in York on the 5th of March. And NALS is delighted to announce Endsleigh Insurance as the main sponsor. And I'm joined by Marcus from Endsleigh. So welcome, Marcus.
Thank you, Vanessa.
Now, why have you wanted to get on board as a sponsor for the NALS Conference in York?
Well, we're really keen to work with agents who voluntarily want to improve standards in the private rental sector. Obviously, NALS are a big supporter of this campaign. They've got a fantastic virtual learning platform, and we actually attended the conference in London at the back end of last year. Really good day, really engaged audience, and had lots of really positive conversations with letting agents. So we wanted to be part of that for 2015 as well.
And very much a kind of carry-on of the synergy between NALS and Endsleigh, because you're both actually accredited suppliers to the London Rental Standard as well, aren't you?
Yeah, absolutely. We're the insurance partner to the Mayor of London's London Rental Standard campaign, and it's kind of lots of these initiatives that we're getting involved in that we really think will have a positive impact for tenants and bringing up the standards in the private rental sector.
Indeed. Now, how important do you think it is to reach out to people beyond London? Because I always kind of think that a lot of the conferences are very London-centric. How important do you think it is that NALS is reaching out and being inclusive up north?
Yeah, very important. You know, we're very happy to be heading up to York. A lot of our partners are based in the north of the country. We work with a lot of letting agents and student accommodation providers in some of the real big cities like Leeds and Manchester. And yeah, you do tend to find a lot of the events are in London, so it's good to get out into the north and see some of our partners in their own territories.
Absolutely. Now, tell us just a little bit about the kind of products that Endsleigh offers to the lettings community.
Yeah, sure. So our kind of lead products is a buildings and contents proposition. We also provide a number of add-ons such as home emergency, legal expenses, rent guarantee. So if anything goes wrong with the property itself, if a tenant doesn't pay their rent on time or any other kind of day-to-day emergency that might happen, we're there to make sure the landlord gets as hassle-free as possible.
And for lettings agents, it can actually be another income stream for them because you can offer the affiliate arrangement.
Yeah, absolutely. So we partner with about 1,000 letting agents up and down in the UK, and yeah, we have commercial arrangements with them where they introduce tenants and landlords, they can earn some income as well.
So Marcus, I think it's fair to say that there's a lot of anti-landlord, anti-lettings agent sentiment in the media at the moment, and one of the themes of the NALS conference is for agents to help them put more of a positive light on everything, and that dovetails very nicely with some of the campaigns that you're running in 2015, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. You read the press and you kind of read a lot of the negatives, but we wanted to focus on the positive aspects of the tenant-landlord relationship. So we've got a campaign coming up called the Better Relations Campaign, and we've surveyed a lot of our existing customers to really understand what makes a good relationship between the tenant and the landlord. How does that lead to better, longer-term tenancies, which can only really be a good thing for landlords and tenants. So yeah, this campaign is really to help promote the positive messages and the things that both parties can do to help the relationship work better.
Quite, and the conference on the 5th of March is really a great platform for sending out positive messages and inspiring people to improve their standards and so on. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, absolutely. These are the types of conversations we want to be having with our letting agent partners. So we're very much looking forward to coming along in March.
Okay, well, thanks very much to Marcus, and thanks very much to Endsleigh Insurance for sponsoring the NALS Northern Conference, the first ever conference in the north of England, and we're looking at the 5th of March in York, and do join us there.